There's no denying that there are quick ways to generate money online, such as taking swagbucks surveys or reselling used products on eBay. Is that, however, how you wish to spend your time? Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. As we approach 2021, the number of ways to make money online without paying anything is only increasing. Here are some. Number 1. Dropshipping. Many global trends accelerated dramatically last year, some for the first time in decades. The rise of e-commerce was one such development. There are a variety of ways to manage an e-commerce business, some of which require very little inventory to be carried and held. Dropshipping is a method of selling products online. Dropshipping is a business concept in which the things you sell are not kept in stock. Instead, when a consumer purchases something from your site, the item is fulfilled and shipped by a third party. Because of the minimal initial costs, it's becoming a more popular technique for both novices and experts to generate money online. Dropshippers have a tendency to follow the current fashion trends. Number 2. Print on demand. Print on demand enables retailers to personalize white-label products with their own designs and sell them only after a client has purchased them, removing the need for inventory, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. A print-on-demand provider will apply your design to the product, fulfill the order, and mail it to the customer when the consumer placed an order. The most major advantage of print-on-demand versus dropshipping is that you have complete control over the look of your products. You may also use print-on-demand services to test online company ideas or new product lines without having to buy inventory when it comes to making money online. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. To be added as an official affiliate, publishers or individuals must apply for affiliate programs wherever they are offered. You'll be given a way to share an affiliate link to the product or service you want to promote once you've been accepted or simply approved. You'll get credit for the recommendation as well as a commission if someone buys the product after clicking your link. The amount of the compensation is determined by the affiliate program and the goods being sold. Commodity items on Amazon.com won't pay out much, while introducing a high-ticket account could pay out hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Because affiliate marketing works best when you help a visitor understand why a particular product would be a good fit for them, you'll usually see it on content-focused websites. Search engine optimization is equally vital, and you'll see everyone from small local businesses to large internationally recognized publications competing for terms like Best Gaming Laptops 2021. Number 4. Blogging. At some time in your life, you've undoubtedly read a business blog. Blogging is used by businesses to share expertise and insights, establish an audience, and increase leads and revenue. Blogging offers numerous advantages, including establishing thought leadership in an area and increasing a brand's search engine presence. Blogging for a living has expanded beyond small companies and side hustles. Anyone can now grow an audience and make a lot of money from their blog by producing amazing content. Choosing a niche is crucial to maintaining a successful blog. Focusing on a specialty allows you to communicate with a specific audience and develop high-quality material for them, which can lead to more leads and sales for your blog. It's unlikely that you'll appear on Google's first page of search results overnight. However, with the correct niche and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to producing money from your site. Number 5. Freelance Services. Offering freelancing services to clients via the internet is becoming a more popular home business option. Almost any position that an online firm would hire for can be done as a freelance service, including writing, graphics design, data entry, and digital marketing. To put it in another way, companies pay freelance writers to develop content that generates traffic and leads, not to wrangle words. With a limited number of high-paying clients, you can make a lot of money, but once you stop working, your cash flow stops. You might be able to turn your freelance firm into more of an agency by hiring out some client work. Begin working on your own company today to create something worthwhile and fascinating. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Until then, fellas.